Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be looking at the Balenciaga track runners. Got these from Buy. They were like $80, and for shipping with the box, it was $100. Because there's only limited shipping because these have battery and the box is huge. So I didn't get the box, and that brought it down by like $30. So like $70 to ship. Still expensive for one pair of shoes. Just look at it. So we open these. Comes with, of course, the Balenciaga tracks. Okay, I'm gonna have to put my phone down so I can, look at these real quick. Okay, so these are the shoes. They're VG batch. I heard OK batch is better, but don't worry, these work perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm gonna put these to the side real quick. Okay, let's look at what comes with it actually. You get the Balenciaga bag. It's pretty cool. I don't know what the actual one is supposed to look like. And it comes with these 2 extra laces. This bag is supposed to have the chargers, but I forgot to put in this bag before I recorded it. But it's just like a normal Android charger. So I think this is really cool. I love when my shoes come with extra stuff. So yeah, VG batch comes with this. And these shoes, interestingly, are actually double laced. It's like, see, there's 2. And I'm never taking these apart because I would not know how to relace them. I haven't even worn these yet. I'm debating if I should resell them. So let's go one by one and quality check. We'll do this one because it has the tag. So first off, the toe box. The shape overall looks really good. 45. It's not supposed to be fully uncovered, but I wouldn't say it's fully visible because it is being covered. So I'd say that's GL, green light, pretty good. On the side, nothing bad about it. I mean, then we go to the back. With replicas, here's the problem. But the real ones, these aren't supposed to be as wide. In every Balenciaga track pair, well, the replica pairs, has them this wide. So nothing you can really do about that. But I mean, no one's gonna notice. And the only reason I know this is because I was comparing it. And I mean, like, I didn't even know before that. It always looked good. And also, another thing with the back, that this is actually supposed to be like, I can't explain it. It's not supposed to be as close to the back, but again, every single replica Balenciaga track runner has it, so there's literally nothing you can do about it. Damn. Okay, the lights, has all the lights. You got your flashing. Then you have three rainbow color, and you have a faster version. Okay, can you focus? Then you have another faster version. Now to this side. This side, very good. I don't see any faults with it, except for the ones that I already mentioned, but that's on every pair and you can't do nothing about it. This is reflective, by the way. Inside, I still have the shoe tree. Contact here, airline/railroad line service before traveling. Balenciaga. Pretty good. And I did take the soles out. It has like the gel, like the real thing. And it feels cold, and I like it. And this, because I haven't worn it yet, so it doesn't pop out, but it says Balenciaga. Wait, I gotta clean these, bro. I didn't wear them. I put them on my table, so. And it has the big Balenciaga writing. How it's supposed to be. This is reflective. I mean, yeah, this shoe is just fantastic. About the back too, another thing is that this, okay, on some pairs you see these this strip with like 2 white lines. Sometimes it's actually not as visible. Like this, it'll be barely visible. Like this won't be visible, which is not good, and then this side will be even less visible, so like you'll see about that much, which is really bad. I'd say those are probably like the bad dhgate pairs that you can get for like $30. The lights work, everything. I got it with a shoe tree, because I wanted it to stay good. Because I didn't order it with the box, I didn't want it to be bad. VG batch, yeah. And it curves too. It's not flat, it curves. Yeah, definitely get the shoe if you want it. I'm really happy that I finally have it in hand. I've wanted this for like 2 years, but I always put it to the side, so yeah. That's about it. And plan on doing another video about Air Jordan 4s, military blacks, so yeah.